How y'all feel? I see this junk right here. My big air conditioner went out here the other day. See that? We tore that piece of junk out of here. You know what I'm saying? But let me tell you something. Don't go spend all kind of $10,000 to $11,000 on a new unit. You know that crap. You know what I'm saying? It ain't worth it. Here's what you need to do. Watch it. But see, everything used to be right there. Service here since 1998. Here's what you need to do. Now watch this. See this thing right here? They call it a mini split. Look at that. You how quiet that thing runs. It's all done fast. We got to do a little more work on the wall. A little bit there. See how it goes out through your wall? And the breaker there. We got to do a little more work on it. Look how quiet that thing's running. But that's the route you need to go. Don't spend all that money on them big ass units. I promise it's worth it. There, is that a good machine? Look at that. It's worth that, ain't it? Now we'll do one more swap. There. It goes right through your wall. It's pretty simple to hook up. See right there? Yeah, that's not how quiet it is. See that? That's how quiet it is. So you come around here. I want to look at this. That old junk thing. Don't go spend all your money on a big old unit. Don't tell architectural people talking into that mess, please. Look at that mess. You serve this well, I guess. There's some money we're going to get from some copper. Get all that copper. What we're going to get. Now, bear with me, man. We'll go inside and look at the unit inside. Say something on this. You like that new unit, don't you, Dad?
Yeah.
Tell me you like it.
Yeah, I like it.
Tell me how cold it is.
It's cold.
Yeah, let's shut there. We'll go here inside. Sorry about the running around here, y'all. Give me a second. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so cold. I'm almost there. Look at that. There's the inside unit. Look how quiet that thing runs. Look at that. That's the inside unit. And that is cold, people. I wish I phone had deals on it. See that. I want to give a special thanks and shout out to Bill Humphrey and Gary Humphrey. They helped us so much. Thank you. I just want to show y'all if you want a new system. That's what you guys call a mini split. Air conditioning. All right, thank you. Later.